Now it's time to make some lobster rolls. We have our ingredients from the box. We have our brioche buns. We have some lobster meat. Let's take a peek at this. Beautiful lobster meat. Giant pieces. We're not playing games here. Knuckle and claw meat, freshly picked. Our spices. Let's take a peek at this. Comes like this. It's very strong. So use this and test it to make sure that it's right for you. And then this is the clarified butter with the chives. It comes like this. You could microwave it for 30 seconds a couple of times, or you could put it into a saute pan and warm it up that way. This was microwaved. It's very simple to do. So what I like to do is I take the meat, and these are giant pieces. I like to break it up a little bit and put it into a bowl. And main style is with a little bit of mayonnaise and a little bit of our special sauce. This can't get any easier or faster to do. So a pound of meat, which is what this is, I'm going to just make a little bit. A little bit of mayo. A tiny bit of seasoning. And then I'm going to use my hands because I'm wearing gloves. And I'm going to mix it up. I might even break this up a little bit more. And then I'm going to just push this on the side for a second. Okay? The next step is we're going to toast our bun a little bit to warm it up and give it that extra rich flavor. So we're going to take a bun. We're going to take our butter, and we're going to come over to the stove. This is a little dab will do ya. I'm just doing one for now, just so you can see how we do it. Just move it around, you'll smell the butter browning. I'm going to just grab a pair of tongs. So that's the golden color that we're looking for on the bottom of the bun. And now I'm going to flip it over and let the top get happy. When the top is golden brown, we're ready to complete and build our lobster roll. So let's do it. Wow. Wow, it's really golden brown. It's crispy, it's crunchy. We take the beautiful chunks of lobster meat. We lay it in. Some people like to take some more of that beautiful clarified butter, drizzle on top. I think it's rich and decadent just the way it is right now. And this is a great bite, which I'm going to have one. That's seriously good.